Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to discuss the exercise set 2.2 questions which are given in Ncert page number 21, chapter 2, Introduction to Linear Polynomials, class 9, Mathematics Ganita part 1. See, there are 7 questions in this exercise set 2.2 part. We will be discussing all these 7 questions. So, let us see the first question. Find the value of the linear polynomial 5x minus 3 if x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. So you see, we have already discussed about the linear polynomials in our previous videos which will be available in the channel. So you see, here the linear polynomial given is 5x minus 3. So let us take this polynomial as p of x. So p of x is equal to 5x minus 3. So we want to write the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 0. So the first one, we want to write the value of the polynomial when x is equal to 0. So wherever we are having x, we want to put x as 0. So we can write this polynomial as p of 0 equals 5 into 0. Because here we have x, wherever we are having x, we want to put x as 0. So 5 into 0 minus 3. Okay, 5 into 0 is 0, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So the value of the polynomial 5x minus 3 when x is equal to 0 is minus 3. Okay. Similarly, we want to write the value of the polynomial 5x minus 3 when x is equal to minus 1. So wherever we are having x, we want to put that x as minus 1. So we can write p of x, that is p of minus 1 is equal to 5x minus 3. So 5 into x is minus 1 minus 3. Okay, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, then minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Okay. Now the third one, when x is equal to 2. So you see, p of x is 5x minus 3. So wherever we are having x, we want to substitute that x as 2. So we can write p of 2 equals 5 into 2 minus 3. Okay, so we can write it as 5 into 2 is 10, 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, so the value of polynomial 5x minus 3 when x is equal to 2 is 7. Now, the second question is, find the value of the polynomial, quadratic polynomial 7s square minus 4s plus 6 if s is equal to 0, s is equal to minus 3 and s is equal to 4. Okay, so here the polynomial is given as 7s square minus 4s plus 6. So I am taking that polynomial as I am just representing it as p of s because it is a function of s now. So I am representing it by p of s. So p of x is equal to p of s is equal to 7s square minus 4s plus 6. So the first one, when s is equal to 0, what is the value of p of s? So you see, when s is equal to 0, wherever we are having s, we want to substitute that s as 0. Okay, so we can write it as p of 0 equals 7 into 0 square minus 4 into 0 plus 6. Which is equal to 7 into 0 square. 0 square is 0. 7 into 0, 0 minus 4 into 0, 0 plus 6. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. Okay. So when s is equal to 0, the value of this polynomial is 6. Okay. Similarly, when s is equal to minus 3. Okay. So we can write this polynomial as p of minus 3. That is equal to 7 into, wherever we are having s, we want to substitute that s as minus 3. So 7 into minus 3 square. Okay, minus 4 into minus 3. Okay, plus 6. So this can be written as 7 into minus 3 all square. Minus 3 all square is 9. Minus square is plus, 3 square is 9. Minus 4 into minus 3. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Okay, plus 6. So this can be written as 7 9s are 63. Minus into minus becomes plus 12 plus 6. Okay, so 63 plus 12 plus 6. What will be the value? 60 plus 10, 70. 78 plus 3, 81, no? So this will be equal to 81. Okay, so value of this polynomial when s is equal to minus 3 is 81. Similarly, we want to find out the value of this polynomial when s is equal to 4. Okay, so when s is equal to 4, we can write it as p of 4. P of 4 is equal to, wherever we are having s, we want to substitute that s as 4. Okay, so this becomes 7s square. So 7 into 4 square minus 4 into s is 4 plus 6. Okay, so this is equal to 7 into 4 square is 16 minus 4 4s are 16 plus 6. So this will be equal to 7 into 16 will be 112. Then minus 16 plus 6. Minus 16 plus 6 is minus 10. Okay, so this will be equal to what? 102, right? 102 plus 10 will be 112. So the value of this given polynomial when s is equal to 4 is 102, 102. Okay. Now, let us discuss the third question. The present age of Salil's mother is 3 times Salil's present age. After 5 years, their ages will add up to 70 years. Find their present ages. That is the third question. So you see, let the present age of Salil be x years. Okay, the present age of Salil is x years. Therefore, here you see the present age of Salil's mother is 3 times Salil's present age. So, the present age of Salil's mother will be 3 times that of present age of Salil, that is 3 times x. So, 3x. Okay, now according to this question, after 5 years, so after 5 years, Salil's age will be x plus 5. Okay, and Salil's mother age will be 3x plus 5. Right. Now, according to the question, after 5 years, their ages will add up to 70 years. So, after 5 years, Salil's age is x plus 5 and Salil's mother's age is 3x plus 5 and they will add up to 70 years. That is x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 will be equal to 70. Okay, so this is actually x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 70. Okay, x plus 3x is 4x, that is 1x, x means 1x. 1x plus 3x is 4x plus 5 plus 5 is 10 is equal to 70. Okay, now from this we can write 4x is equal to, this is plus 10 here. When we take this plus 10 to this side of the equation, that becomes minus 10. So 70 minus 10. Okay, 70 minus 10 is 60. Okay, so 4x is equal to 60. Then what about x? Here you see this is in the multiplication format. So if we take this 4 to this side, that goes to the denominator. So you see when 4 is taken to this side, that goes to the denominator. So you will get 60 by 4. Okay, 60 by 4 is 15. Okay, so the question is find their present ages. So we got the value of x as 15. X is the present age of Salil. Okay, so present age of Salil is x, that is 15 years. Okay, and what about the present age of Salil's mother? That is 3x. That is 3 into 15, which is equal to 45 years. Okay, so present age of Salil is 15 years and present age of Salil's mother is 45 years. Now, let us discuss the fourth question. The difference between two positive integers is 63. The ratio of the two integers is 2:5. Find the two integers. So you see, here we have to consider two positive integers. Their difference is 63 and their ratio is 2:5. That is, when we take their ratio, we have to get 2/5. Okay, so let the two integers be 2x and 5x. Okay, let the two integers be 2x and 5x. Then when we take the ratio of these two integers, 2x divided by 5x, x cancelled. So you will get 2/5. 2/5 means when we write it as ratio, this is 2:5. Okay, so let the two integers be 2x and 5x. According to the question, the difference between the two positive integers is 63. So difference between these two, that is 5x minus 2x, this is equal to 63. 5x minus 2x is 3x. So 3x is equal to 63. So x is equal to, you see, this is in the multiplication format. When we take 3 to this side, that goes to the denominator. Okay, that becomes the division format. So 63/3. Okay, 1, 2, 3s are 6. 1, 3s are 3. So you will get x as 21. We want to find the two positive integers, no? So the first positive integer is 2x. 2x means 2 into x is 21. So the first positive integer is 42. Okay, and the second positive integer is 5x. 5x means 5 into x is 21. So 5 into 21, which is 105. So the two positive integers are 42 and 105. Now the fifth question is, Ruby has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as she has 5 rupee coins. If she has a total of rupees 88, this is 88, how many coins does she have of each type? That is, we want to find the number of 5 rupee coins and we want to find out the number of 2 rupee coins. So you see, let the number of 5 rupee coins be x. Then according to this question, Ruby has 3 times as many 2 rupee coins as she has 5 rupee coins. So we have taken the number of 5 rupee coins as x. Therefore, the number of 2 rupee coins will be 3 times that of x. That is 3x. Okay, so number of 2 rupee coins, number of 5 rupee coins is taken as x. The number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times that of the 5 rupee coins. So 3x. Okay, 3 times x, that is 3x. Now, she has a total of rupees 88. Okay, that is, the number of 5 rupee coins is equal to x. The value of a 5 rupee coin is 5. Okay, so x 5 rupee coins will have a total value of 5 into x, right? And the value of a 2 rupee coin is 2. So the value of 3x 2 rupee coins will be 3x into 2. Okay, 3x into 2. Now, she has a total of rupees 88 with her. That is, sum of these two, this is equal to 88. Okay, that is 5x plus 3 into 2 is 6. So 6x is equal to 88. Okay, 5 plus 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11x is equal to 88. Then x is equal to 88 by 11. 11, 8 are 88. So we are getting the value of x as 8. So number of 5 rupee coins is equal to x. That is 8. Number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 3x. So 3x means 3 into 8, which is 24. That is, the number of 5 rupee coins she has is equal to 8 and the number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 24. So Ruby has 8 5 rupee coins and she has 24 2 rupee coins. Now, let us consider the sixth question. A farmer cuts a 300 feet fence into 2 pieces of different size. The longer piece is 4 times as long as the shorter piece. How long are the 2 pieces? That is the question. So, Let the length of the shorter piece be x. The longer piece is 4 times as long as the shorter piece. So the length of the longer piece will be 4 times x, that is 4x. Okay, so length of the shorter piece is taken as x. Length of the longer piece is 4 times that of the shorter piece. So 4 into x. Okay, now the length of the fence is 300 feet. Okay, that is x plus 4x will give you 300. Because that has been cut into x and 4x, no? Okay, so x means 1x. 1x plus 4x is 5x. So 5x is equal to 300. So x is equal to, this is in the multiplication format. So when 5 is taken to this side, that goes to, that will become in the division format. That is, that will go to the denominator. So 300 by 5. Okay, 6 5s are 30. So 60 into 5 is 300. So we will get x as 60. Okay, so the length of the shorter piece is x, which is equal to 60 feet. Okay, and the length of the longer piece is 4x. 4x means 4 into 60, which is 240 feet. Okay, thus the length of the shorter piece is 60 feet and the length of the longer piece is 240 feet. Now the last question of this exercise, which is 7th question, is if the length of a rectangle is 3 more than twice its width and its perimeter is 24 centimeter, then what are the dimensions of the rectangle? Dimensions of the rectangle means we want to find out length and width of this rectangle. So let the width of the rectangle be x. Okay, we have taken the width of the rectangle as x. Now the length of the rectangle is 3 more than twice its width. So width of the rectangle is x. Twice its width means 2 times x. Okay, now 3 more than twice its width. 3 more than twice its width means twice its width means 2x. 3 more than twice its width means 2x plus 3. That is the length of the rectangle. Okay, so length of the rectangle is equal to 2x plus 3 and width of the rectangle is equal to x units. Okay, now the perimeter of the rectangle is 24 centimeter. Okay, so width of the rectangle is x centimeter, length of the rectangle is 2x plus 3 centimeter and perimeter is 24 centimeter. For a rectangle, the perimeter is given by this equation 2 into length plus width, 2 into a plus b. You might have learned that. So 2 into length or 2 into l plus b. Okay, that is 2 into length plus width. That is the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so 2 into length is 2x plus 3 plus width is x. So 2 into length plus width, that is a perimeter which is given as 24 centimeter. Okay, this can be written as 2 into 2x plus x, that is 3x plus 3. This is equal to 24 centimeter. See, this is 2 into 3x plus 3. So this is in the multiplication format. When I take this 2 to this side of the equation, that goes to the denominator, that is division format. So we can write 3x plus 3 equals 24 divided by 2. Okay, 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 2s are 24. So 3x plus 3 is equal to 12. Okay, I will write here 3x plus 3 is equal to 12. Now this is in the addition format. When I take this plus 3 to this side of the equation, that becomes minus. So we can write 3x equals 12 minus 3. That is 3x equals 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay, now this is in the multiplication format. So when 3 is taken to this side of the equation, that goes to the denominator, that is division. So x will be equal to 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is 3. Okay, so we are getting the value of x as 3. The question is, we want to find out the dimensions of the rectangle. Dimensions of the rectangle means we want to find out the width of the rectangle as well as the length of the rectangle. So you see, the width of the rectangle is x centimeters. X is 3 here. So the width of the rectangle is 3 centimeter. Okay, and length of the rectangle is 2x plus 3 centimeters. So 2x plus 3, that is 2 into x is 3. So 2 into 3 plus 3. Okay, 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 plus 3, that is 9 centimeter. Hence, the dimensions of the rectangle are 3 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Okay. So, in this video, we have discussed about the 7 questions from the exercise set 2.2, which is given in NCERT page number 21, chapter Introduction to Linear Polynomials. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.